Assalamualaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. As you can see behind me, there are some Hafiz are playing cricket. As you can see, actually, maybe this is their free time. That's why they have come here and trying to play cricket. And as you can see behind me, over there, there is a primary school, and after this primary school, there is a madrasa, and they study over there. Actually, they are pursuing Quran. They are memorizing Quran. They all are Hafiz, as you can see behind me. Oh my God, every everyone is ball head. Oh my God, they're trying to play cricket, and when they will be about 20 years old, something like that, at the time they will really miss this childhood. They are trying to have enjoyable moment. They are actually enjoying by playing cricket in this small place. They are trying to play cricket. And in the afternoon, maybe it's their spare time. That's why they can come here and trying to play cricket. This is actually border site. And as you can see over there, there are so many buffaloes. They are actually coming from river. Huzur. Come here, come here. What's your name? তোমার নাম কি?
Yunus.
হ্যাঁ?
Yunus.
ইউনুস, মোহাম্মদ ইউনুস।
জি।
তুমি কি কোরআন মুখস্থ করছো হাফেজ? তো?
হেফজ করি।
হেফজ করো? ও হেফজ করতেছে। I mean, they are memorizing Quran. They are actually Hafiz. So what's your name? তোমার নাম কি?
আরিফ।
মোহাম্মদ আরিফ।
জি।
হ্যাঁ? What's your name?
মোহাম্মদ শাহেদ।
Where do you live? তুমি কোথায় থাকো?
মসজিদে।
মসজিদে থাকো?
জি।
তোমার বাসা কোথায়? বাড়ি কোথায়?
লাতিকুলা।
লাতিকুলা?
জি।
Oh my God, it's so far from here. Actually, his house is Lathirkula. It takes 30 minutes to go there. And he actually stays at masjid where he studies. So, Huzur, what's your name? তোমার নাম কি?
মোহাম্মদ উসমান গনি।
Muhammad Usman Gani. Wow. Really, it sounds really great, Usman Gani. Huzur, come here. তোমার বাসা কোথায়?
এখানে।
এখানে থাকো? কোথায় থাকো? মসজিদ থাকো? হ্যাঁ? He also stays at madrasa where he studies, where he memorizes Quran. Suzu, come here, ball head Suzu, come here. তুমিও কি হাফেজ? তুমি কি হাফেজ? তুমি কি কোরআন মুখস্থ করতেছো? হুম? নাজরা পড়তেছো? That means he studies Quran. However, he studies like something like that. He's not memorizing. However, he studies in madrasa. Huzur, so have a look at them. Wow, it's really fantastic. They all are Hafiz. They're all studying Quran. They all are memorizing Quran. So pray for them. Pray 5 times and pray for them. And I pray for you as well. I pray for every single Huzur here. Every single. I pray for them as well. So guys, you pray 5 times and pray for them as well. So that they can be Huzur, or they can be a good Hafiz and they can memorize Quran very well. Please pray for them. So I don't want to make it more longer. So stay well and please pray 5 times. I'm highly telling you that I have a humble request to all of you that please guys pray for them so that they can be a Hafiz and they can show us a good way, not astray.